Law dog, you don't step aside, we'll tear you apart.
You die first, get it? Your friends might get me in a rush, but not before I make your head into a canoe. You understand me?
He's bluffing. Let's rush him.
No. He ain't bluffing.
You're not as stupid as you look, Ike.
Nếu mà tao vào bùi dây on the view, coi về rồi, reflection không vào bùi dây trái.
Alrighty, so we're just going to do a quick video while I'm out here stopped. So I haven't gotten around to this yet, but for those of you back home that know me, I do like my guns and I like my shooting and stuff like that. I do believe that you should have a right to protect yourself with a firearm. Back in Australia, that is illegal. You will go to jail if you use your firearm in self-defense. But here in America, it's part of the Second Amendment. You're allowed to bear arms. You're allowed to protect yourself. Here in Arizona, you're allowed to carry, concealed carry. As a resident, I actually have to go for the concealed carry permit. Once again, for those who are watching that are under, you know, their legal age, like minors, firearms can be fun for target shooting and, you know, proper purposes, but in a safe environment, used safely. Parent there to supervise and show you how to do it correctly. Anyway, so I got myself my first handgun and my first firearm in America, so let's go ahead and have a look at it. Never mind the messy truck. Okay, so it's a Glock, as you can see. Glock. Let's open her up. So we got the Glock 19 Generation 5, which is the newer model. I bought it brand new. Now it comes with, that's to help you reload the magazines. It also comes with 1, 2, and 3 magazines. A brush for cleaning with, the rod. It comes with a lock. There's a trigger lock there that it was on it. Some other things, some extra different hand grips if you want to change those out. So I actually do have this one loaded here. So we got some Hornady American Gunner. They're a so they're a hollow point for personal protection. They're my personal protection rounds. And just yesterday I bought just some cheap ones, some Federal They actually got aluminum cases, which I've never really seen before, so that's interesting. I doubt you'll be able to reload these, but they're going to be just my target practice rounds, if I can get it open. So yeah, just a standard round, 9mm Luger. Let's put the camera down for a sec. Yeah, so magazine goes in there. Pretty simple. Now a lot of you probably think, well, why do you think you need all this stuff? Honestly, like, even if it's just for target practice, I love guns, and that's just the way I am, and I had guns back in Australia, and if I can have guns in America, I will have guns, and I like a wide variety of them, so I will own them. If I can legally own them, I will. But yeah, some of the main reasons I got it, just for target practice, stuff like that. I do feel like I'd like to have it for personal protection if anything ever were to happen out here in America, like if there was a shooting, or if someone tried to rob me, break into my house. You know, if I felt I was in danger, I had the option to protect myself if I needed to. Also, I am a very avid outdoors man, as you can see. I love being out in the woods like this, but the problem is, they got mountain lions, black bears out here, coyotes, wolves. I don't want to get eaten, so gotta protect myself. So a sidearm is gonna be neat. So hopefully I'm gonna, along the way somewhere here, I don't know where, maybe I'll have to just go to a range or something, because I just don't know where I can go. But I'd love to go do some target shooting. So yeah, we'll see if we can find a spot and add this onto the video. If not, we'll do a separate video where I go out to the range. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna keep heading north. We're going up to, in the other video you'll see, we're going up to Hilldale, where the FLDS are. Okay, we'll see you out there later.
Somebody picked the wrong house.